Mr. President, a second AI model has hit the internet. Chinese tech giant Alibaba, which is basically like Amazon if you wanted to buy a liposuction machine, has released a new version of its Qwen2.5 AI model that it claims surpasses the highly acclaimed DeepSeek V3. Evaluations show that Qwen2.5 Max outperforms DeepSeek Llama 3.1, GPT-4o, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet on various benchmarks. However, Qwen2.5 Max is not open weight, which means its training parameters are private, and it can't be downloaded and run locally like DeepSeek R1. This comes days after TikTok owner ByteDance also released an update to its flagship AI model, which it claims outperforms OpenAI's O1. Rumors say that Temu is gearing up to come out with an incredibly cheap AI that only does what you tell it half the time. China is certainly releasing the hits back to back like Kendrick Lamar,
Bing, bop, boom, boom.
And tech stocks are feeling the pain. However, OpenAI is poised to hit back, with ex-users cleverly finding out that an OpenAI employee retweeted a post stating that O3 Mini will launch tomorrow and is 4 times faster than O1 Mini. For reference, O1 Mini is already the fastest model on the market, so this would be a pretty impressive step up. Today is January 29th, 2025, and welcome to my tech news. OpenAI and Microsoft announced they are investigating whether data output from their models was obtained in an unauthorized manner by a group linked to DeepSeek. This comes weeks after OpenAI claimed it's impossible to create AI models without copyrighted material.
Trying to kidnap what I've rightfully stolen.
The irony here is pretty palpable, and many might say karma is a bitch. OpenAI scraped and in effect stole essentially all of our user data on the internet. It's a huge reason why Reddit's valuation skyrocketed. Investors saw the comments and user activity as a treasure trove for training data AI models. The technique here that DeepSeek used is called model distillation, a practice where a student model is trained using the output of a teacher model. It's very common in the machine learning space, and OpenAI even has published documentation on how to do this. In a move that would likely cause all electronics everywhere to cost more, Trump announced he intends to impose massive tariffs on Taiwan-made chips. In an ill-thought plan to incentivize companies to relocate production to the United States, Trump has touted he will add a 25%, 50%, or even a 100% tax. The problem is, building a semiconductor fab takes at least 3 to 4 years and costs tens of billions of dollars. So even if TSMC were able to start constructing a sub-2 nanometer capable fab in the US today, it wouldn't come online until 2029 at the earliest. This comes days after unveiling Project Stargate, which will require billions of dollars worth of Taiwan-made chips. In other news, Google has reclassified the US as a sensitive country alongside China and Russia after Trump's map changes. This comes after the Trump administration pressured Google to change the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America in Google Maps to US users while it maintains its original title for everyone else. Unfortunately, they didn't go with the original rename option of Si Senor or the Gulf of CUM. Sources say that Trump's next target is officially changing French fries to freedom fries. Thanks for listening to My Tech News. Have a good one and stay frosty.